Tesla has released impressive footage of a robot pulling a still smoking casting from the Gigapress. I mean, Elon has talked about this extensively. They keep trying to get bigger and better ones. The idea here is much like a die-cast car that you would have, a little Hot Wheels or something like that. You can eliminate the need for so many pieces from major car components by casting them using specific alloys and such. And there's this company, Idra, which is responsible for collaborating with Tesla and creating these advanced presses.
Yes.
Huge scale presses. And this is essentially what it looks like. This is, I think, a component from the rear part of the vehicle that's being pulled out here. And this piece that you're looking at used to be far more pieces than it is now. It used to be 70 different parts in the Model Y, replaced with this single rear body piece. And the advantages here from a manufacturing standpoint is that you can use fewer robots to secure all these things together and assemble. And then also from the vehicle perspective, you can eliminate some road noise. There's less joints and things that are moving around, right? You have more solid pieces. Are you on the article? If you scroll down, you can see exactly where in the car this piece fits. This press, yeah, there you go. This press is pretty wild. Clamping force of up to 61,000 kilonewtons. Get out of town.
I don't even know.
No, you don't need to know. You can just, when you say 61,000 kilonewtons, you just know what you're dealing with. You can also see a little graph here of the different Tesla models and the robot count per unit of manufacturing capacity. So you can see how much more efficient they're getting and not needing so many robots. So the Model S made at Fremont, the old-fashioned Model S, still requiring quite a few robots per unit of manufacturing capacity. Model 3 takes it down to a more efficient place, and then you can see the Model Y at the new facilities in Berlin and Austin, and they're really finding even more efficiencies. There is some word that other automakers may look at these strategies and also attempt to implement them.
Yeah.